It's a rainy day at our house. It's a rainy day with the young parents.
Yesterday it rained, watched everything wash away. It took some time to dry before.
And I am just so not looking good today. I am hoping that I can take a shower, but not in the rain. Jaden, I'm going to take a shower in the rain, okay? Can I take a shower in the rain with my soap?
No.
Why?
If I take a shower in this thing.
And we got Gracie over here eating macaroni and cheese with some lunch meat. I'm packing up the kitchen. Nummy, 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 nummy. You eating macaroni? Num? What are you eating, Jaden? Okay, I'll take a shower in the house. What are you eating, Jaden? Macaroni. And I'm drinking my Smart water. My fishy water, because I need to start drinking more water. And I'm having myself a chicken sandwich. You want a drink of water? Okay, you eat some of your macaroni and your sandwich and I'll get you water. I'm not going to. I'm going to eat my macaroni. Nom, 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 nom. Why are you so messy? You just had a bath too. Yeah. No, you had a shower. I'm going to give you a shower out in the rain, okay? And if all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. What's your name?
My name is Jaden.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have water.
After you eat your lunch. Eat your macaroni. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Yes,
You have to eat your lunch, Spider-Man. I know, if you eat your lunch, you can dress up like Buzz Lightyear.
What? No, I don't.
I have the costume in your room.
Huh?
I have the costume in your room.
Yes, I need it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I can. I don't want to read these.
No.
No.
It's a train.
I want to go on a train. Please.
Then you got to eat your lunch. You got cookie, baby? Well, Gracie ate all her lunch, like a good girl. And she's only eating the middle of the Oreo. Is that yummy? Okay, eat your lunch then. And I have your cookies right here waiting for you. They're right here waiting for you. Right here. No, Gracie, those are for Jaden. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You're done eating? Okay, you can go to your room now. Nope, you can't have your cookies because you didn't eat the sandwich I made you and you didn't eat the macaroni. Who's it?
It's dirt.
In your ear?
No. And out.
That's what it's saying in your ear?
No. Mommy.
Boy, Jaden, it is taking you so long to eat your lunch. I'm gonna have to eat your cookie.
No.
A good birthday cake cookie.
Yeah, it is. Let me taste it.
You want to taste it? Okay. Eat your lunch first.
I don't like cookies birthday cake.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
You think it's good, Gracie?
Is it good?
She said yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She said uh-huh.
I love you. Bye. Say bye-bye, Gracie.
Bye-bye, baby.
Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye, baby.
Sing me the raining song. Oh, the raindrops rolling, drops and gumdrops. Oh, what a rain it would be. Standing outside with our mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. Sing me the song. So I wanted to show you guys this house that we were looking at in Arizona. I've been talking to the lady who owns the home. She's very nice, very sweet, and my boss is brother's house that they are renting out there in Arizona. It's a 4-bedroom house, 3-bathroom, and 2-car garage. This is the kitchen. I love it. It has an island. They actually changed out all of the appliances are stainless steel now. They're not black, but that's just the picture that they had on hand to email us. And then this is the backyard. It has a built-in like barbecue pit thing. And I love it. I'm getting my hopes excited. Obviously they were hoping to rent it out a little bit sooner than I was intending on renting it. So hopefully, it all works out. But if it doesn't, then we will keep looking.